8 bomb attacks targeting Christians and tourists in Sri Lanka.
Sir, I need your signature.
Agent Cooper, you're not trained in interrogation.
I don't know what you think is gonna happen here, but this...
I'm giving you Zamani.
Franco Zamani died 12 years ago. He's a non-existent threat.
And you believe that?
It's a fact. Serbian courts declared him dead in 2008.
I'm not a dead man, just stepped off United 283 from Munich to Dulles.